Hey guys, what's going on? It's RC Knockout. I am back with another video. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, my name is Nolan. In today's video, I am out at a local park, and I'm right here by the river, and we got a nice little beach here. It was just raining, but hopefully the rain holds off for a little bit so I can get a bash in. But I have my Arrma Kraton EXB with me, and we are running the, what are these called? The Backflip tires. So the Dboot Backflip tires. This would be the second time I've run them since I've installed them. Anyhow, so I'm out here today. I'm gonna bash around in the sand. We're gonna jump it, and we're gonna hopefully have a whole lot of fun, and we will see if this thing hopefully does not break. So far, every single tire I've taken out, it's broken. So maybe it will actually surprise me this time. Let's go ahead and get started bashing, guys. Ready? Get set, go! If you guys hear a noise, people have been pointing out that it's my differential, but what I actually believe it is I think it's this drive shaft right here is bent. So if you watch close to when I rev this thing up, no, it's this one. See the bending knob? So that one's not bent. And I think that's where all that noise is coming from. So a lot of people in my previous video that I had this out said they think it's a differential problem. I think the noise is coming from this bent drive shaft though, dog bone. So yeah, you're gonna hear a little bit of clicking coming from this. Nice. Alrighty guys, ready? Get set, go! I got a mouthful of sand. Mouthful. Bring it back this way. That Wheelie Bar is doing its job though. Ooh, oh, we're good. How about another launch in the sand? Ready? Get set, go. Alright guys, I'm gonna try jumping up this right here. Nice. Alright, we're gonna launch it back off of here. Ooh, something broke, guys. Crap. What broke? I gotta get down there and go see. This thing never disappoints. I've only been bashing for like 3 minutes, guys. Like literally 3 minutes. And something broke. What is going on with this thing? Something with the steering. Oh, I see what happened, guys. So the actual drive shaft popped out of the differential cup. So I don't know if you guys can see that in there. It's not even in there. There's the diff cup. Drive shaft is outside of that diff cup. Gosh, this thing always doing something. There's always something up with this machine. I'll go back to my vehicle, see if I have the tools, and if I do, I'll get it fixed up and we'll be back out running. Well guys, like usual, the Arrma Kraton EXB did exactly what I expected it to do. It broke almost immediately. You guys can see what happened here. The drive shaft actually popped out. The dog bone popped out of the drive cup. I don't know how. It wasn't that big of a landing. You can see it went in, it like gnawed at the freaking plastic, but it pulled out. And I was trying to get this undone, but I don't want to strip it. So I could possibly fix it here, but I'm not even going to mess with it. So I don't know, that just seemed like it did that way too easy. I'm gonna go pull a different RC out and hopefully one that's way more reliable than this one, which is basically every other RC I own. Literally, this is the worst RC I've ever owned. This thing's a piece of garbage. Like, I paid so much money, and this is literally the worst RC I own. I've gotten so little runtime out of this thing without, I mean, it breaks every single time I freaking turn it on, basically. I jumped it, what, 3 times and it was broken? And we're on sand. So come on. Anyway, guys, if you did like the video, go ahead, give us a thumbs up. I look forward to seeing you guys in another video. Later.